Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So friends, this is our today's exercise in Solidworks with the help of this sketch, and this is our exercise number 16. If you have any doubts, then please comment, and you can also download this part from my GrabCAD link and exercise link also in description box, and please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. So let's start. So friends, this is our today's exercise. Firstly, we draw this portion, and after that, this one or this one, we can draw both. Okay, so note this dimension. This is 156, 18 millimeter thickness, and the inclined portion is 68, and this portion is 28. Okay, so take a plane and normal to. Now go to sketch and draw a sketch. This type of sketch. Okay, now dimension. This dimension is 156, and the height of this portion is 18 millimeter. This length, height, 68 plus 28, 96 millimeter, and this angle is from this portion or this portion, that's 120 millimeter, 20 degree. Okay, and this thickness is 18, same. Okay, now we are going to make this radius. Okay, 3 millimeter, and okay. Okay, now going to extrude. Height is direction 76 millimeter. 76. Okay, this portion is ready. Now this is our 56 from upper side, and bottom is 76. So we have to make chamfer both side and then make a radius. Okay, so first we have to measure this dimension. Okay, so go to evaluate and measure. This length is 74. Okay, now go to feature and chamfer. Okay, and distance, this is 10 millimeter and this is 74. Okay, click on this edge and okay, now on other side, chamfer, distance 10 and 74. Okay, this distance 74 and T2 is 10 millimeter. Okay, now we have to make radius on top portion, this one. Okay, so this is our 28 millimeter radius. So go to fillet and face, first face and the second one, and last. Click OK. So our this portion is complete. Now we are going to make this portion. This is our inner diameter is 20 and outer is 44. and 5 mm thickness. Okay, so go to this face and normal to and draw a sketch from this center. Okay, and sorry, first smart dimension. This is our 44 diameter. Feature and extrude. Thickness is 5 mm and okay. Now the other circle, normal to extrude cut first and draw a circle from that center, and this dimension is 20 mm. Okay, now go to finish sketch and drag this arrow to pass the solid body and click OK. So our this portion is also complete. Now we have to make the slot. So the dimension is 44 center to center and outer one is 18 mm radius. Okay, this portion, and now go to sketch and take a slot in this center. This dimension is 44 and drag. Radius is 18 mm. So this dimension is 36. Okay, okay, now this dimension is center 32 mm. This is 44. Okay, radius is 18 mm. Okay, and this center is 38. Okay, click OK. Now we are going to extrude this portion. Is thickness of this portion is not given. Let's take 5 mm. 5 mm and OK. Now the other slot is 16 radius, thickness, sorry, width is 16 and center is 44. Same. Okay, click on this slot and normal to go to sketch again and take a slot from this center. Click on this center and this center. This dimension is 32. Sorry, this dimension is 16 mm. Okay, so can we change here and okay. Now dimension, first this radius is 8 mm. Okay, now finish sketch and go to feature, extrude cut, select the sketch and through all click OK. This portion is ready. Now we are going to make this fillet. Okay, 12 mm. Okay, fillet edge 12 mm. Click on this edge and this edge and OK. Now we have to make this cut. This is our 38 and 6 mm height. Okay, so we have to go this side and normal to go to sketch, center rectangle, and this dimension is 38 millimeter. Okay, and the height of this rectangle is 12 because 6 millimeter from this face. Finish sketch, go to feature, cut extrude, select the sketch and drag the portion and okay. So our exercise is complete. If you have any doubts, then please comment and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.